Do you want to know how you can sign up for Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Frollo. So let's go ahead and start with the video. First of all, you must download Frollo from your Play Store and open it. After you open Frollo, this is the interface. Go ahead and click on Next. Click on Next again and click on Sign Up. Then click on Register with Email. What you need to do is write down your email address over here, and you must write down a secure password for yourself. You must maintain all of these, at least 10 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one number. After doing this, go ahead and click Register. Make sure your account is safe. Go ahead and click Accept. Wait for a while, and after a while, you will be registered to Frollo. What you need to do is check your mail. So, once you go to your mail, go ahead and click on the link sent to you by Frollo. So go ahead and click Confirm, which is over here, and you can go back to the app again. Now what you need to do is click on Use Biometrics, or you can set a passcode for yourself as well. So let's make it short and quick. Let's go ahead and click Use Biometrics. Go ahead and scan your fingerprint. And now you must create a code. So go ahead and write down a 6-digit code for yourself. Click on Continue. Now let's go ahead and write down your name and your last name. So go ahead and write down your details over here and click Continue. Let's go ahead and connect to your account. So let's go ahead and link your bank account with Frollo now. So you can do this, and you can now open a bank account with Frollo. So if you don't want to do this now, you should just go ahead and click Yes, Cancel, and you can do this later as well. So guys, this is how you sign up in Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.